Have you ever tried to start your lawnmower and it just decides it's not going to work? That has happened to me since the first day I bought this thing. Did I take it in and return it? No. I did go over to my neighbors and say, help! Looks like we do have some gas in there. I'm just gonna go add a little more, make sure it's full. All right, we are full in gas now. We're ready to go. So, always dreamt of a lawnmower that just starts right up. So let's see how she does. See if she'll start. Let's see if she'll start. Come on, you can do it. You can start. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Life is tough. I know staying in a garage can't be easy, but you gotta get up and do something. You gotta start running. It's important. You can do this. You can run. Come on, baby. Come on, start for me, baby. Start. Just get started. So my incredible neighbor gave me a trick and said that if you just take this thing off and pour a little oil on it, then your lawnmower will start right up. And it's true, that has happened every time I've done that, but I did find something that was a little bit easier than that to do. All you do is you take your lawnmower, you tilt it to the side, and then it should start right up.